Compact your recyclables with vertical balers from our B series. These balers are inexpensive and used for basic waste handling. They are simple and safe to operate, and have a low noise level. Load your recyclables directly at the waste source. Compact various types of waste. Efficient retainers keep down the waste material. They have a wide filling opening. The low noise level ensures an optimal working environment. The baler has an automatic, full light indicator. A knife is mounted for cutting straps. You open the door with a strong threaded spindle. Now all waste has been compressed and you can tie off the finished bale. Tie off the bale with either strapping or steel wires. You eject the bale by a safe two-handed operation. And then you can remove the finished bale. Compact various types of waste. Cardboard, shredded paper, paper sacks, newspapers, dry soft plastic, our GSM solution. Try the vertical door. Fill in waste. The press cycle starts automatically when you pull down the door. A high-speed unit increases the cycle time by 30%. A digital auto-lock is designed to prevent unauthorized users from operating the baler. They are easy to install. The B-series balers can be placed close to the wall, taking up minimum space. You can compact various types of waste. The low noise level ensures an optimal working environment. The operator is guided with easily understood pictograms and automatic full light indicator. The machines have automatic bale ejection.